Welcome to our Excel trainings. When we create pivot tables in Microsoft Excel, it is possible to show the values in our summary tables as totals, numbers, or maximum minimum values. For example, let's take a look at our summary table here. The total sales amounts of the companies we have, that is, the total values of the sales amounts. Now, when you hover over their numbers and press the right button, we have values such as sum, count, average, max, min in the summarized values by section. So we have values such as sum, number, average, maximum, minimum. When you select count from here, how many sales does each company have? Look, you will see these. In other words, you can think of it as how many times the number was passed, how many invoices were issued. Similarly, when you go to summarize values by and select average, what are the average values of the selected company? Similarly, when you select the maximum or minimum, we can see other values such as the largest and smallest. From here, it is possible to show other options from more options. Look at it like standard deviations. Different values like variations can also be shown here. Let's select the summarize values based on some value just below, for example from here. We can use it like this. We brought the sales amounts of our summary table here. I wonder how much the sales amount here is worth and how many times it has been sold. That is, how many invoices have been issued. I set the sales amount expression to values for the second time. The same numbers are here, and here we press the right button again and select the count expression from the summary values by section at the bottom, so we find the number. This means this, friends, 366,000 liras were sold, and this was done 122 times, in return for 122 invoices. Or we can read it as if this company was invoiced 122 times, or 143 times. It is possible to change the values here. Let's write sales here. Look, there is a sales statement, not with the same name. You can leave a space. Even sell if you want. Let's say the amount. Leave a space. Because the name you give here must not be the same as the name of that milk. If you have a sales amount name, it won't be here. But you can solve this by leaving a space here with a simple trick. We call this the number of sales. When you come here, you can narrow it down and see how much our sales are and how many sales we have. When we press the right button here, summarize and loose pay options are used for values such as total, count, average, and are frequently used in similar examples. This way, we can easily find values such as how much sales were made to which company and how many invoices were issued.